Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants without egg updated. Fold cold vegan butter into chilled dough using 3-letter folds, rest the dough for 1 hour between turns, and shape tight crescents before proofing. Keep dough chilled at 4 degrees C during lamination, use high-fat plant butter for lift, and chill trays before baking. Bake at 200 degrees C until deep golden, rotating halfway, then cool on a rack to set layers. Start by mixing flour, salt, sugar, and instant yeast with cold plant milk to form a shaggy dough, then rest for 20 minutes. Chill dough flat for at least 30 minutes before lamination, roll to a rectangle, and place a cold butter slab in the center. Perform 3-letter folds with 20-minute rests between turns, keeping the dough and butter firm for distinct layers and reliable rise. Proof at 27 degrees C until doubled for best flaky texture. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your kitchen tidy while dough proofs and hands stay free. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider it as a helpful kitchen companion. I appreciate every like and comment. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After laminating, roll dough to 3.5 mm thickness and cut triangles about 12 centimeters tall, keeping corners sharp. Brush lightly with plant milk wash to help browning. Avoid egg. Roll from base to tip, tensioning the dough for tight crescent shapes, then chill formed croissants for 30 minutes before final proof. Bake on a preheated tray to ensure immediate oven spring and deep flaky layers. Cool briefly to set layers, and serve warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.